What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and yes, I promised that I was listening to you guys and I was going to deliver the things you've asked for. So you asked for a morning routine. Now I added a little bit of a twist, my healthy morning routine, so you can see everything from skincare to my workout regimen to my eating, whatever I do early in the morning in preparations, usually for work and for other things I have to get done, how I sit and plan for my days, all of that. So this is going to be super detailed. Anything I discussed today can be found down below in the information section. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel and also my vlog channel. Make sure that you come back on all Thursdays and some Sundays for video uploads, and also be sure to turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload. So usually I wake up pretty early in the morning, usually around 6 a.m. Some mornings are later, some mornings are earlier. Usually it starts with me and Bella doing a lot of tossing and turning before it's actually time to get up.
Hey, Bill. Hey.
Hey. Hey, time to get up. Hey, Bella. Over the past few days, I've been feeling a little under the weather with a cough and a scratchy throat. And I'm super happy that this video is sponsored by Robitussin because they had something special for me. But we gonna keep on going with this morning. I have to sit up and talk to Bella for a little while, give her a little pep talk. I'm sorry. I saw we had coughing. Bella! Bella hates when I'm coughing. I usually look at my phone to make sure no major emergencies have gone down, like my mother or anyone else, my friends and family, and I check to make sure nothing has happened. Then I go on to getting some motivation. So I like to make sure I wake up and read something devotional. I'm gonna read about coping for today so I can get this day started on a positive note.
Yeah, life hurts like hell, but this is how I keep going. I've got my brothers and sisters. We must actively look inside ourselves for fulfillment and be willing to experiment and stretch ourselves. You like that, Bella?
Bella, I thought that affirmation was good. What did you think? Clearly, someone's not ready to get up. I can't afford to be coughing today because I have to teach, and that has ruined my teaching before. Yes, I have 2 3-hour classes I'm teaching today. And for that reason, I'm super happy to have this video sponsored by Robitussin. So to nip this coughing issue in the bud, I'm going to reach for this Robitussin with honey, one of the leading cough and cold brands. Of course, we've all heard of that. And now they've combined it with honey, and they have the cough and chest congestion version for day and night. This formula features true source certified honey, so it's made at a high standard. It's free of gluten and artificial colors, maximum strength cough medicine, so it gives you long-lasting relief. And I really do love the fact that Robitussin has included honey. As you all know, that I really love honey for many reasons. So I'm so happy that it's featured at such a high standard with a well-known and trusted brand. And if you're like me and can't afford to be around here coughing your head off, definitely head on over to www.robitussin.com/honey and learn more about it today. Y'all know I'm a coffee and tea girl, so that is how my day starts. I get a wake up and pick me up, and I also get some time to think and clear my head before getting started. I then move on to putting away dishes. So anything that I cleaned the day before, it goes up so I don't have to look at it once I come back home. It's just not a fun thing to come back to mess. So I like to make sure all my dishes are put away. It officially makes sure that my day is like clean, there's a clean slate, and we're ready to go. I then carefully pack my gym bag, which I usually do the night before, but sometimes I do it the day of. I put in all my essentials like my towels, my headphones, also my tablet, and my wipes, because I like to make sure I have my own stuff to wipe down machines and other things so I don't get sick. And I also like to make sure I have the right gym clothes for the day. I often lay them out the night before, but I do like to check the weather and make sure I have the ones that are good to go for the day's weather. And now it's time to quickly get myself defunctified, right? So I brush my teeth before I go to the gym. I know some people don't really do a lot of this stuff before the gym, but please start. That's all I'm asking. And then I wash my face because I don't want to go in there with a crusty face or things in my eye that could have been removed. So I make sure that that's not happening. And I also put in my contacts because I hate working out in my glasses. It's just something I can't really do. So now I'm going to change, and here we are. I'm ready for the gym, ready to go. And I also make up my bed because I have read and was told that the richest people in the world and the best CEOs always make up their beds. So I like to do that. And Bella likes to act like she helped me. And you guys know I'm on my gallon a day water kick, and I have been sticking with it. So I fill this bottle up so it can go with me. And now it's time for Bella to get her workout in. She goes for an early morning walk, at least 15 to 20 minutes, just to get her legs loosened up. She's getting a little older, so I like to make sure she has her time out, and she loves it. She loves going for a walk, and I do let her lead the way. I know that's not always right, and we didn't learn that in obedience school, but she be thinking she knowing where she going, and I like to just act like she does. So she's gonna do her duty. Yes, she did. And we're going to keep on walking. She likes to find new things and new places to sniff and new people to jump on, and then she leads me right home. So we are going to head in, and I'm going to get ready to head to my workout. So I go ahead and I head out and I walk to the gym. I like walking around to the gym. It also gives me a few more calories and steps into my day. And then when I go, usually there's no one there early in the mornings, which is awesome. I'm a gym snob, so I like being able to do what I want to do. That's kind of silly, but oh well. So I'm going to do a mixed workout today. I'm going to do about 30 minutes on this treadmill, but I'm mixing it up. I'm not just running. I'm going to walk uphill. And I usually go at about 4.5 miles per hour, go up and down, and then I do some skipping. And I also just run on a straight way as well. And I also like to make sure that I get a little dance break in. Y'all know I love dancing. I always have. My mama said I used to dance in front of the TV and make her watch all my dance stuff. It's just in my bones, I guess. And then I do some lifting, and more like cardio lifting. So I do this move here because it's compound. It works the fronts and the backs of the arms. And I do a set of 16, then 12, and then 8 on both of these exercises. So this one's hammering those shoulders. And then I go ahead and just punch it out for about 2 songs. I love to do that. It builds up that heart rate. You also just feel like you're getting a good burn, and you will be sore after doing this. And so you see me adding in those hops. Those burn extra calories as well. And then you see me repeating my moves as well. And then I'm going to do these hopping lunges with a little bit of a baby squat. I love these too. These really get the legs burning and moving, and it's really how I've built up my thighs to be so muscular and strong. I also like to do just some regular punches and some jumps and some jumping jacks as well. Basically, I just do whatever comes to mind. And then I just punch in between because that keeps that heart rate up. And then I try to jump as high as I can with a double jump rope. Come on home and get ready to shower and get my life.
When I get back, I am super, super sweaty everywhere. So I immediately wash my clothes and do my hair.
My hair is a mess right now, but that's okay. It's all right because I'm going to make it work today. And I am just adding a little bit of Jamaican black castor oil as well as a little bit of a moisturizer. And I am literally going to put it in 2 buns. I am not even caring about the parts because the style still looks good. I just want it to be something that I can put up and be protected for a little bit. And I'm adding gel and a little edge controller to the edges, smoothing it up, and then using my little brush to make my little baby hair. And I wrap it up. Then I move on to washing my face. I have such a ritual, y'all. This always happens this way. I've never done it out of order because it drives me nuts. So I make sure I wash my face thoroughly and my neck, especially after sweating as much as I have. You don't want that salt to sit on your skin. And then I rinse upward to make sure I'm not dragging my face down. And then of course I use a paper towel to towel blot dry. Just, you won't really catch me using towels on my face. Paper towels, yes, but not towels. Then I'm using a little witch hazel to go ahead and tone the skin, the face, and also the neck and décolleté. Just because you don't want to leave those out, you want to make sure that that gets all that dirt off. And then I add my eye cream, of course, to make sure that my eyes stay moisturized, and also my face with a bit of moisturizing, rubbing upward and making sure the skin accepts all of that moisture. So I rub it in completely. And then I also wash my clothes. I don't like my clothes to bask in sweat. I tend to break out all over my body if I have sweaty clothes. It's just not a good idea, and the bacteria, we won't even get into that. But now I'm going to go ahead and wash my body with my loofah, and I wash it completely, of course. And I also make sure that my back is covered. So I know a lot of people have asked about clear backs. How do I get such a clear back? Well, I make sure that I always use some type of tool to clean it myself if no one's around to be able to clean it for me. I rinse off at least 2 to 3 times, and then I towel blot dry. And that's my little shower routine. I'm gonna go ahead and get out and moisturize immediately. So I'm just using a bit of my moisturizer mixed with good skin grade sweet almond oil. Love it for this time of the year. It cuts down on my eczema, makes my skin look a little bit clearer, and also it glows a bit if you ask me. Now it's time to pick out my clothes, and I want to go for something comfy and yet cute, and not necessarily trendy, but maybe a little trendy. So I'm going to pull out this crop sweater, these jeans, and that army fatigue jacket, as well as these boots. So I'm going to go ahead and do a light beat on my face. I don't tend to wear a whole lot of makeup during the week. I just like something that protects my skin, and I like to put on just a little bit of foundation because the sun can still wreak havoc on your skin if it's too straight on the skin. And so I want to make sure that I protect and cover a little bit, and I just add a little bit of mascara, bronzer, a little blush, and I'm good to go. And this is the outfit, y'all. Of course, I'm over here dancing because I can't stay still. And this is what my hair ends up looking like as well, and the full outfit. So that's what's going on. And I tend to not wear basic earrings, but because of the fatigue pattern, I'm gonna go with some basic hoops. And here's also my time to reflect and write down things that need to get done. I find that this works the best for me in the morning. If I go over my to-do list, mark off what's been done, and then write what I want to do, my brain is fresh. I'm not frustrated. I'm not just thinking about the whole day that happened before, and I'm wanting to win, right? And then I sit down and I check any important emails and figure out what's going on, what's important, what do I need to pay attention to. And of course, Bella always wants to join me. She just does not want me to sit anywhere where she's not around. So I guess she needs to check her email too.
Is you finished or is you done? Is you finished or is you
While
done?
I usually fast through my mornings, I also have some mornings where I want some nutrients, especially when I'm teaching longer. So I'm going to have a little bit of almond milk, some ginger root powder, frozen spinach, as well as a little bit of plant-based protein. I'm going to mix that down. And then I'm going to drink that on up, y'all. It does not last me long. Clearly, this is a delicious shake because I had it turned all the way up, losing all my morals.
So good.
So I'm going low carb for my packed lunch. I'm having my low carb noodles with low amounts of calories, as well as some broccoli, some sauteed broccoli. And you guys know I've added just a little bit of fish back into my diet every now and again. So I have this salmon burger that I made in my air fryer. Yes, I am an air fryer snob, y'all, certified and approved. I love that thing. And then I'm just going to take some seaweed snacks and some water. So I have other snacks on campus in my office. I'm just going to throw this this together and get ready to go. And the next stop is my book bag, making sure I have everything that I need, everything that I need for Bella because she travels with me and stays at my place there. I want to make sure I have everything together and I'm ready to go. Go ahead and hit the road. And thanks again to Robitussin for sponsoring today's video. Make sure that you comment, share this video with someone who can use it, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful Brown Baby Doll. Peace. Guys, don't forget to visit me at drninaellishervey.com and sign up for my free 8-day supernatural video course.